Alright, so these are puzzle lights, also known as jigsaw lights, all sorts of other names, ZE lights. They all have the same basic shape, which is what you see here, and normally in a pack you get 30, but the shape we're doing today only takes 28. So here's the shape we're going to be making, sort of like a long oval. If you're familiar with these, you'll kind of get the basic idea. But basically, you're going to start out with 4 pieces on the bottom. It's 7 rows of 4 pieces. So I have 7 rows lined out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rows. And let's start with this one. Basically, it hooks in just like you normally would hook in. And you see those two there? That's the straight and the straight hooked together. And then the slant and the slant, those are the 2 angles on it. You can see there's 2 different angles. There's a straight and a slanted, and the straights go with the slanted on the bottom row here. And then we take the next one. Again, it hooks in, and then hooks in there. So you got 3 hooked together, and then this hooks right there. So you have 4 hooked together, and normally when you're making the ball, you have 5. But on this one, see there's kind of a piece missing there. We're just going to hook these guys here, and you'll get kind of a little flower, you can see. So we're going to do the next row, and that also has 4. And that's, again, you're going to be making this, you're not going to break any rules yet. It's just that straight edge there. It's going to go in to form a 3 flower right there. And then this is going to hook right there. And this is going to hook right there. Next piece, you always just go along the bottom here. Again, right there. Hooks to there. Hooks to there. And that hooks to there. Again, same exact thing as the last one. Hooks there, and that hooks there. Again, 4th piece on the 2nd row hooks in exactly like the other 3. Make the 3 flower there, that hooks there, and this guy hooks right there. So that's what you've got after 2 rows. You've got something that looks just like this. You get a good look at it there. We're doing all red, so hopefully that you can still see that. Okay, remember we're going to make something that looks just like this. So we've got that there. Next row. Here's where you're going to do something different. See where there's 3 right there. And then we're going to take the straight edge again. We're going to lead with the straight edge. In this shape, you always lead with the straight edge until the very final row. That hooks in right there. Hooks in there. We're going to go down again to this one that has only 3 on it. You're going to hook the straight edge. And you're basically making 4 petals on that flower there. Okay. Next one. Next one, exactly like the others. You may have to pause this to get up to that point. So there it is. So you can kind of see it's starting to fold in on itself there. But don't worry, because you just get the next row here. And again, lead with the straight edge right where there's 3. And that turns it into 4. Hook there. Hook there. Hook there. Don't worry if it starts to pop off, you can straighten them out after you're done with the row. Hook there. That hooks there. And that hooks there. And then just kind of tighten them up. You've got something that looks like that. Okay, we're getting there. Next row, same exact way. That hooks right there. That, again, same way as the other one. You're always leading with this straight edge here. So you see the straight right there? That angle goes in right like that. Okay. And look at that. So we got 2 more rows to do. So the next row is exactly like the other row. Like that. Like that. Like that. And like that. Alright, so get a good view of that there. We've got one more layer to do to close it off. Now if we did it like the other one, it would just keep on going and going and going. You can make it as long as we want. But what we're going to do, normally you would take this straight edge and hook it right there. What we're going to do, flip it over, do the slanted edge, right like that. And then these hook in right there. Next part, same exact thing, right like that. Right like that. That hooks in there. And again, that hooks in there. And that hooks in there. Now, in the middle here, these actually all will hook together to form a 4 little flower of 4 petals right on the top. And there it is. There you go. That's how you make this shape, and you can do it with any of the sizes. And that's it.